When it comes to slow cooking, Crock-Pot has earned its place as a household name. And this Crock-Pot 2-Quart Classic Slow Cooker is no exception. Offering a perfect blend of versatility, compactness, and convenience, this small slow cooker is designed to make meal preparation easier, quicker, and more enjoyable. Whether you're whipping up a quick dip, a small meal for two, or reheating leftovers, the Crock-Pot 2-Quart Classic ensures that your dishes are cooked to perfection every time. In this review, we'll dive into what makes this model such a popular choice and why it could be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Why you'll love the Crock-Pot 2-Quart Classic Slow Cooker? The 2-quart capacity of the Crock-Pot Classic is ideal for preparing meals for 1 to 3 people. It's a perfect solution for cooking smaller portions, making it a go-to choice for singles, couples, or anyone who doesn't need a large slow cooker taking up space in the kitchen. Whether you're making a hearty soup for lunch, a small batch of chili, or a side dish to complement your main meal, this small slow cooker is incredibly versatile and efficient. Compact size, it's easy to store and doesn't take up much counter space. Convenient for smaller households, ideal for 1 to 2 servings, so you don't have to worry about wasting food. The Crock-Pot 2-Quart Classic gives you full control over your cooking with 3 simple heat settings: high, low, and warm. This allows you to cook at your preferred pace, whether you're making a dish that needs slow, low heat, or a recipe that benefits from a high heat blast. The warm setting is perfect for keeping food at the right temperature once it's done cooking, ensuring that your meal stays ready to serve until you're ready to enjoy it. High setting, perfect for quickly cooking dishes that need a bit more heat and time. Low setting, slow cook your favorite stews, soups, and meats to achieve that melt-in-your-mouth texture. Warm setting, keep your meal at serving temperature without overcooking it, ideal for dips and sauces. The removable stoneware insert is oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to brown or crisp your dish to perfection after slow cooking. This feature adds a level of versatility that many other slow cookers simply don't offer. If you've made a stew or roast, you can transfer it to the oven for a crispy, golden top. The flexibility to use the stoneware insert in both the slow cooker and the oven allows you to create more diverse meals and adds that extra layer of flavor. Finish in the oven. Transfer your meal to the oven to achieve the perfect crisp or caramelization. Versatile cooking options. It's great for making sides, dips, and casseroles, then finishing them off with a crispy topping. One of the best things about the Crock-Pot 2-Quart Classic Slow Cooker is how easy it is to clean up after you've cooked. The stoneware insert and the lid are both dishwasher safe, so you don't have to spend hours scrubbing. After cooking, simply remove the insert and lid, toss them in the dishwasher, and your job is done. This feature saves you time and energy, letting you focus on enjoying your meal rather than cleaning up afterward. Quick and easy cleanup. No more scrubbing away at stubborn food residue. Dishwasher safe. Spend more time relaxing and less time cleaning up. The Crock-Pot 2-Quart Classic doesn't just perform well, it looks great too. Its sleek black finish adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen, whether you're cooking for yourself or entertaining guests. The modern design ensures that this small slow cooker complements your kitchen decor, making it an attractive countertop accessory that blends in seamlessly with the rest of your appliances. Stylish design. The black finish adds a sophisticated touch to any kitchen. Compact and functional, its small size makes it ideal for kitchens with limited counter space. While it's perfect for preparing small meals, the Crock-Pot 2-Quart Classic truly shines when it comes to dips and sides. Hosting a game day or a dinner party? This slow cooker can easily handle making cheese dips, queso, or buffalo chicken dip, the perfect crowd pleasers. It's also great for preparing side dishes like mashed potatoes or vegetables, ensuring they stay warm while you're entertaining. Perfect for parties. Keep your favorite dips warm and ready to serve. Great for sides. Prepare sides that stay warm for hours, making it easy to serve everything at the same time. The Crock-Pot 2-Quart Classic Slow Cooker is both budget-friendly and reliable. It offers high-quality performance at a price point that's accessible for nearly any household. Plus, you can count on the trusted Crock-Pot brand to provide durable, long-lasting appliances that you can rely on for years to come. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.